Hi everybody, Stampin' Sue Creates here to share with you an unboxing of my Paper Pumpkin. Now Paper Pumpkin is a monthly subscription by Stampin' Up. I am an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I'm located in the Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania area, which is the northeastern part of Pennsylvania, but it doesn't matter where you are in the U.S. You too can subscribe to this fun monthly subscription box. It's only $22 a month. And it comes when you get your first subscription with an acrylic block, something kind of like this. And you will use that block for your kits from then on. So this one is called a Kit in Color. It is the May 2020 subscription box. Very exciting. It does not normally come in a box like this. This is a specialty box because we are coming out with brand new colors, and this is a sneak peek at some of the new colors when our new catalog is released on June 3rd of 2020. So here's a little bit about the kit. It is Celebrate in Color. Take your projects to the next colorful level when you combine your May 2020 A Kit in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit with other products like ink, paper, and coloring tools from Stampin' Up's new 2020-2022 in color lineup. So this is exciting, and we could already see one of the new ink colors right here. It's a magenta color, I believe. I don't even know all the colors off the top of my head, still learning. But if you're not yet a subscriber, you want to make sure to subscribe by June 10th in order to get Miss Sarah's Box of Sunshine. Look at that fun kit. So hashtag share sunshine with the Sarah-inspired Paper Pumpkin Kit for June. This kit includes supplies for 8 handmade cards and is specially designed to help you create a special box full of cheer and treats to share and brighten the day of someone special in your life. And how do you subscribe to this? You can just go to my website at StampinSueCreates.stampinup.net and click on the Paper Pumpkin link, and you can subscribe there. You can do it month by month, or you can have your choice of 3, 6, or 12-month subscriptions. But give it a try. Do the month by month. You can always add on later. I'd love to have you a part of my Paper Pumpkin parade of customers. So let's see what we got. So we get a stamp set. Normally, sometimes it's a surprise, sometimes it's something different. We usually get an ink spot, and this is one of the brand new in colors, which we can't even get them yet until June 3rd. Start purchasing them. This one is called Misty Moonlight, and look at that color. Oh my goodness, isn't that fabulous? And here's the stamp set. So it is You're Amazing, and it has a couple little symbols. It has hey. As oh happy day. There's like some plus signs. This is like a rainbow. And did I say that you're amazing? Because all of you are very amazing for being here and joining me today. Now, as soon as I look at this, I see a smiley face. I see eyebrows. These could be very easily be done as eyes. So, I mean, yeah. So look at this pretty paper. Oh my goodness, I'm loving the paper. And let's see, so it's like opening up a Christmas package or a birthday or any kind of holiday package every single month when this comes delivered right to your doorstep. Put that over on the side. So let's take a look. Look at all the goodies inside. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so much fun. Every month it is. So here is the cover. A Kit in Color. Let me get my paper snips. Everything you need is included in here to create fun projects. And every month it's something different. Lately, Stampin' Up's been giving us little hints as to what the month is including. But in the past, we didn't know. It was a surprise, which is kind of like Christmas morning because, you know, you don't know what Santa's going to bring you or what kind of gifts people are going to bring you. So, okay, my nose is itchy today, my allergies. Or hopefully not a fight, right? So here inside this little baggie, we have some real pretty baker's twine. Oh my goodness. And this one seems a little bit thinner. It reminds me of bubble gum. Doesn't that color remind you of bubble gum. So there's a whole spool of this, a little bit thinner than normal, which will be easier to tie. We have glue dots, which are what these items are to help you put your kit together. Now you can add an extra additional glue of your choice. We have a whole sheet of Stampin' Dimensionals, and these are self-sticking toppers and backers that you can put underneath something to kind of raise it up and give your stamped images some dimension. Ooh, we have some pretty little, well, I don't know if you want to call them stars or flowers, or they can be whatever you want. I could picture a little rhinestone stuck in the center of them to even add more embellishment. So here we are with some envelopes. Ooh, and the whole liner is printed on here, so it doesn't add any extra weight. So it looks like we have 4 magenta lined envelopes, and these are note card in size. Let me see the size here on these. Oh no, 5 1/4. Yep, they're a little bit smaller, 5 1/4 by almost 4. Then we have some other envelopes. Let's see here. We have this color is called, oh my goodness, my mind is going blank. Poppy, no, not Poppy Parade. Oh, well, it's an in color. It's not a new in color, but we'll get to that because I'm sure the instruction sheet will tell us. And I just used it Sunday at my spa day. But so we have 4 of those. And then, ooh, this looks like pumpkin pie. We have 4 of them, which is one of our colors, by the way. We have unique names for our colors. So we have some die cuts to punch out. They look like clouds, but again, and some labels. So we have 4 sheets of those. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of these, and look at the colors. Oh my goodness. Now that looks like a rainbow, or turn it upside down and it looks like a big smile, which is what I have on my face right now sharing this with all of you. And we have some cardstock bases. Now this is that purple color again. Now this is driving me nuts, so I'm going to have to look here and get the name of this color here. Hold on a second. Purple Posy. How could I forget that? So if you notice, this is note card size. The one side is solid, and this one has a little bit of shading to it, almost like cloudy. So you can have your choice. The other side is perfectly white. Sorry if my dog barks because she's like woofing right now at something. So you can use those on your cards, and ooh, look at these card bases. And they're already pre-scored for you, which makes it more fun. Look at those. These are all fabulous colors together. Who would ever think to put them together? So we have 4 of those. Ooh, we have some vellum sheets, which are so much fun. Sorry, she's getting ready to do the big barking. I swear every time I go live or do a Facebook live or a YouTube video, she has to bark. Now here's another. This looks like a, well, I'll go through the colors with you. But you can cut these apart and create even more things. And Paper Pumpkin has a Facebook page, so be sure to check that out too for lots of alternative ideas. And here we have some vellum tags, which easily punch out. We have a piece of chipboard, which there's not even a charge for that. That comes absolutely free. So save those. You never know. So here's the flyer. And inside here is black and white instructions. There's only 4 steps. On the bottom, they provide for you a measuring device, an area that you can measure. There's also on YouTube, check out Paper Pumpkin. They will show you each and every month how to put your kit together to help you along the way if needed. A lot of times it's not even needed. So here on the back, here are the projects that that are suggested to create. And here are some alternative projects. So here are all the links for Paper Pumpkin to find out lots of other ideas and see. So look at all the items your kit includes, tons of items. Now the colors that are coordinating with this kit are Bumblebee, which is a brand new color coming out, Just Jade, another new color, Magenta Madness, another new color, Misty Moonlight, another new color, which is what our ink spot is, Pumpkin Pie, and Purple Posy. So a lot of fun, and definitely, if you are not yet a subscriber, I know you're going to want to be. I'm going to go ahead and create the cards suggested. I'll be posting them over on my Facebook page at Stampin' Sue Creates. So come on over there and join all the fun. I'd love to have you join me every Thursday night, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. I do a Facebook Live, and you just never know what you may see or hear, but it's a lot of fun, and most of the time, some giveaways. So anyhow, thank you so much for joining me. Again, if you wish to order Paper Pumpkin or any other supplies, check me out over on my online store at www.stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.